Nearly 60% of customers search for local businesses online. Are you wondering why your website is essentially invisible, even in your hometown? Welcome back to Local Marketing Insights with Local Lead. My name's Judd, and today we're going to tackle the question of why your local business might be almost invisible online to nearby customers and searchers, and what you can do to fix it. Here's the hard truth. If prospects aren't finding your business in local search, you're missing out on huge opportunities to drive local traffic, calls, and sales. But with the right local SEO strategies, you can dominate the search results in your geographic area. Let's get into it. First, start with ensuring your Google My Business listing is completely optimized. This is your top local SEO tool, so claim and verify your GMB profile. Fill out key details like your address, phone number, opening hours, website link, and comprehensive business description. Upload photos of your storefront, products, services, and team members to bring your GMB listing to life. Provide attribution for any photos you use. Enable messaging so prospects can contact you right from Google. And include useful categories, attributes like women-led, and amenities. Then, make sure to regularly monitor and respond to customer reviews on your GMB listing. Positive local reviews build trust and authority signals. Ask satisfied customers to leave detailed, constructive feedback. Flag and report any fake negative reviews for removal. Now, onto your actual website. Semantic search optimization is crucial for local SEO. Include your city, region, and relevant keywords throughout your on-page content. Have a proper Contact Us page with your full business name, address, and phone number. Earning quality local citations also factors into local search rankings. Citations are mentions of your business name, address, and phone number on directories, review sites, and local data aggregators. Build manual citations on authoritative sites relevant to your industry. But beware, never pay for low-quality local citations or spam directories. Prioritize prominent, trusted sites like Yelp, BBB, Factual, HotFrog, Infogroup, and Apple Maps to build citations. Now let's talk about local link building. Earning high-quality local links signals your relevance in the region. Sponsor local events, donate to community organizations, or partner with neighboring businesses to build trustworthy local links. Optimizing your local landing pages is also key for local SEO success. Craft pages targeting the town or city your business serves. Include the city name in titles and content. Answer FAQs prospects in the area may have and highlight your unique local value proposition. And make sure you include relevant Google Maps embeds so visitors can find and contact your locations. Talking about Google, actively managing your business profile on Google Maps is vital. Make sure your business category is accurate, request changes if needed. Monitor and respond to reviews, and use posts to share events, offers, and news. Just like with your Google business profile, upload engaging photos and videos of your locations, inventory, and staff. Optimize your map, pin title, and description, and take advantage of features like posts, products, booking services, messaging, and more. Hey, I'd love to hear about your local SEO challenges and success stories. Leave those and any questions you might have down in the comments. Now let's shift gears to local paid advertising. PPC and paid social campaigns targeted locally can supplement your organic efforts. Advertise in nearby zip codes or create hyper-local radius targets around your locations. Bid on branded and relevant non-branded local keywords. And leverage location extensions, call extensions, and other local ad features. Measure campaign performance and optimize accordingly. Driving offline foot traffic and calls is also central to local dominance. Encourage customers to post geotagged reviews from your locations. Run local promotions and special offers to incentivize visits. And don't forget traditional marketing. TV, radio, newspaper ads in your community build brand awareness and phone calls. Partner with regional influencers and athletes to expand reach. Near me searches are massive, so fine-tune your website content for near me, city name, and service queries. Update your online profile so you show up across local directories and map packs, and register your locations on navigation apps like Waze to be discoverable on the go. We covered a ton of local SEO tips today. Optimizing your online local visibility takes work, but investing in these areas can help customers discover your business and drive more calls, walk-ins, and sales from your geographic region. Focus on foundational elements like complete Google business profiles, on-site optimization, and earning local citations and reviews. Build your local link profile through partnerships and PR, and combine digital with real-world marketing to dominate locally. A great first step is performing an SEO audit. Check out the video in the link for help mastering that process. In the meantime, don't forget to comment your local SEO challenges and success stories, and be sure to like and subscribe for more great local marketing content. I'll see you next time on Local Marketing Insights with Local Leap.